Hello and welcome to Gardening with Ben's video today. Today we're going to be looking at what flower seeds you can plant in October and what bulbs you can plant in October, as now is a perfect time to be planting some seeds and bulbs ready for next year. So let's take a look. October is a great time to be planting your spring bulbs. Get those spring bulbs planted in the ground, ready for next year, as they are the first thing that the bees see when they come out of hibernation. They will help the bees so much if you plant them this month, ready for next year. And it's all about helping the bees. The bees do so much for us. If we didn't have the bees, we'd have to pollinate everything ourselves, which would take forever. So the more that we help the bees, the more that we can eat and harvest and grow ourselves. So the bulbs that you can plant this month are allium bulbs, tulip bulbs, daffodils, hyacinths, crocuses, snowdrops. So get some each of the bulbs, plant them in a pot or in your borders, and just add that extra bit of flower into your garden ready for the springtime, and they will look absolutely beautiful. You can't beat the spring bulbs in a garden. Next up is Aqualigia. Now you can sow these seeds this month either in the greenhouse or in the ground, and you will be getting some great flowers next year. Aqualigia are fantastic to have in the garden. They will self-seed and they will set seeds out and grow more every year. So try growing some Aqualigia, and the bees will love the Aqualigia as well. They love going inside the little flowers and getting the pollen. So yeah, try growing some Aqualigia. Next up are cornflowers. Cornflowers can add a lot of nice colour to a garden. The blues in the cornflower are fantastic. So try sowing some cornflower seeds this month, either outside or in a greenhouse, and get them planted ready for next year. Some fantastic flowers. Next up is hollyhock. Now you can sow the seeds straight outside into the ground for flowers next year. If you're wanting a plant what spreads, what covers a nice area, try growing poached eggplant. And it does actually look like eggs. It's got the white and the yellow yolk on it. That's why it's called the poached eggplant. Now you can sow the seeds, and fingers crossed next year you will start getting a nice spread of flowers in your garden. Ideal for rockeries or borders. Try growing some poppies. Poppies add a fantastic red to a garden. All you need to do is get the poppy seeds and just sprinkle them over, and you will get poppies next year. And once you've started growing poppies, you can just take the heads off them once they've dried out and throw the seeds, and you'll still get poppies year after year in your garden. Sweet peas can be started this month. You can start them off in the greenhouse, somewhere nice and warm, in seed trays, or check out my video on how to grow sweet pea seeds, and you can sow them this month ready for next year, and to plant out next year early on to be getting flowers which will look absolutely fantastic. I grew sweet peas for the first time this year, and it was the best thing that I added to my plot. The flowers are still coming now. I'm taking all the seeds off them, ready to sow myself and to dry them out. So try growing some sweet peas. You won't go wrong with them. You can just keep cutting the flowers off and putting them in your vases and having them in your house, where they'll add a fantastic fragrance. You'll have flowers all through summer in the garden and in the house, and you'll probably be giving some away as well because you'll have that many. If you're wanting some winter colour in your garden, try planting some winter pansies. You can purchase winter pansies in your garden centres or in shops and get those planted, or you can plant some primulas. They'll add some colour as well. and primulas do spread, so they'll make it look lovely. So add some primulas and winter pansies to your garden to add some extra colour this month. You can also plant Clematis this month. October is the perfect time to be planting your Clematis for it to take root and get going, ready for growing next year and making your garden look nice. And it does spread, it leaves a trail so you can guide it to where you want it to grow. So yeah, add some Clematis to your garden to add some beautiful colour. So that is all the flowers what you can plant in October. I hope you found it useful. Make sure you click on the links below to check out where you can purchase them from, or check out the website as well for more information, or feel free to join my Facebook page where I do live videos and share tips and hacks as well down on the allotment. I hope you found it useful, and remember, keep gardening.